Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your password and username on Instagram. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first thing to do is of course to log in into your account on Instagram. So make sure just to open Instagram and then log in into your account. After that, you will need just to click on your profile picture and here it will take you to your profile. Then you will need just to go to this navigation bar or this three bars of navigation and here you will find settings and privacy. We click on settings and privacy and basically it will uh, show you the menu here of Instagram or of your account. Then you will need just to go to the account center so we can see the password, security, personal detail, etc. And here you click on account center, you go to profiles and select your Instagram profile. And basically, after clicking, it will take you to this page. Basically, here you can see your name and here you can see your username. And of course, if you want to see anything concerning or related to passwords and security, you will need just to go to the account setting and password security. And here we can find everything concerning password. Basically, in Instagram, you cannot see the password. You can just change your own password. So you will need just to type or insert your current password and add your new password that you want to change. And if you have forgotten it, you will need just to click on forgot your password and you will need just to change it. And same goes for the Facebook account and everything. And of course, you can add some two-factor authentication, and you can also like synchronize your personal information. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.